Shoop. Ta-da! Yeah, the eyebrow look like you. It really looks like you.
Food dance, because I'm hungry for food. Beep, 5, 4, food. Nom, 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 nom. Want the last burnt carrot?
Yes. What dessert you want? Okay. Start here. Oh, this onion looks so different. Smells really good, the lime. Lemongrass and peel the outer layer. Lemongrass is very hard. Wow, I can't even cut. I have never had the lemongrass. This is the center. The lemongrass smells like lemon, mint leaves. It smells really good. Chop the leaves. I will mix it with pork. Carrot into a pan, add some oil, put some salt. 15 to 20 minutes. Sriracha sauce. What are you doing?
I'm doing the food dance.
What is food dance?
This is the food dance. Food dance, because I'm hungry for food.
Okay, almost ready.
Did you just essentially make this with hot pepper and mayonnaise?
Do you want to taste?
I think that's what you just made. You let me taste a little bit.
Yes.
The stuff in this bottle is called sriracha mayonnaise. And the ingredients are mayonnaise and lemon juice.
Yes, I'll put the lemon juice. Okay, lemon juice. Oh, we don't have a lemon juice squeezer.
Maybe do you need a lemon juice squeezer? We've got lemon juice.
But this one is lime, it's different.
How much do you want?
All of them. We don't waste. We use all the lemon juice. Do you think that's too much?
I think that's probably a little too much.
That's fine. I just need to mix it well.
Now my hands smell like lime, which is a better smell than
I think I will put all the
computer
hot
keyboard.
sauce. Make the color strong.
Okay, you've got to tell all the people out in YouTube land, you can just use a bottle of this stuff.
Yeah, yes. Yes, so you don't have to buy a lot of ingredients and make this. Okay, and next I will make the hamburger meat. It's pork.
It's pork?
Yes, it's pork. Put it in, add soy sauce. Wow, the Thai seasoning smells really good. This is our hamburger meat. It will taste good because it's got soy sauce and all the seasoning. Mix it well.
That's for my hamburger?
That's for 2 people. Do you remember last night meatloaf? It was about the same amount, and after it's cooked, it will get bigger. Oh, because it has no eggs, so this one is not as liquid as meatloaf. What are you doing?
I'm jumping for food.
Add some salt. I'm actually getting really hungry now. Lots of pepper. Shape it like this much. Take out my ring. Cook 4 to 5 minutes per side. It smells really good. Flip it and for another 5 minutes. Carrot should be ready. Oh, it looks really good. Pull it up for me. They use the same pan to bake the bread. Bake this for 5 minutes. Sliced cucumber, Pasinian cucumber. To make sure it's cooked, check the center of the meat. Oh, it has juice coming out. Wow. I guess I have to cut it in half to check. Let me open this. Yeah, looks like it's cooked. It has no red. Will you come here please to check the meat? I just don't believe myself. I think it's cooked. No red meat and looks very juicy and tender.
The only way I can confirm is to eat at least one of them.
Ah!
This one's yours. I broke it.
You just broke it. Aww.
Okay, looks done to me.
Okay, I think the bun is ready. Oh, we really need a glove. Whoa, it's hot. Wow, the buns look very good. Oh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. I will spread the sauce on the bun. I'm super hungry right now. The sauce is sour because we put a lot of lemon on it. Smells really good. Oh, I should put the cucumber on the top. I will give you the good one. Oh, look at the burger meat. Look, it's pretty. And I will put it on the top. That's it. I think I should put some cucumber down here. It looks prettier when it has the cucumber sticking out. Okay, I need to save some cucumber for myself. I don't have enough cucumber. Need to stick some cucumber on it. I don't have enough cucumber to put it in the center. Choo! Ta-da! It's done. It's done. Looks so cute. Cute. It's sticking out. Wow, it looks really good. It looks good. Looks good. My portion looks smaller. I don't have extra meat. Otherwise, I will spread some on the carrots. This carrots is very sweet. The color looks really good. Wow. We don't need sauce.
Beef-fi-fo food. Beef-fi-fo food.
Do you think we need ketchup?
Beef-fi-fo food.
We have ketchup. We need ketchup. What do you do? I'm trying to make a thumbnail. Wow. Do you want to be in the thumbnail?
No, I want the food in the thumbnail in my mouth. Get in my mouth.
Okay, let's eat. Finally can eat. Wow, it looks really good.
Go get me some toothpicks.
Toothpaste?
Toothpicks. I need toothpicks.
Oh, it's upstairs.
Give me some toothpicks.
It looks like face.
I'm a burger. Eat me.
It really looks like you.
Me.
Yeah, the eyebrow look like you. It looks cute. It looks cute. I love it. It looks cute. Ah, let's eat. So it looks like potato, but it's carrots.
Okay. Tell me about these carrot fries because they are unexpectedly good. Carrots are not supposed to be good. Carrots are intended to taste bad.
But this one tastes good. It tastes sweet and soft.
Yeah, so how'd you manage to do that?
I put some oil, salt, pepper, and I put it in the oven to bake.
Could these be considered healthy French fries?
Is this healthier than sweet potato?
Probably sweet potatoes are healthier than normal potatoes, than Irish potatoes, but these are carrots.
Yes, it tastes really good.
So essentially you could make me a whole bunch of these and I can sit around and eat them and not feel guilty about it?
Yes, then we need to get a lot of carrots. I think next time I'll put less salt in it.
I feel like I don't have enough carrot fries. So I'm loading my burger down with carrot fries. Can you see? I'm loading my burger down. Okay, am I ready to bite into it?
Yes.
Am I supposed to put sriracha sauce on it? Your homemade sriracha sauce?
I already put sriracha sauce on the bun.
Okay, here we go. So are the cucumbers supposed to be pickles that aren't pickled?
No, it's not a pickled cucumber.
Well, I know it's not. They look like pickles.
Yes, but it's not. It's a special cucumber.
Okay, the bun is pretty good. This is not a normal hamburger bun, is it?
It's a Vietnamese-style burger. Have sauce on it. It tastes good.
It smells pretty good too. Okay, so I mean that is actually it's a good bite-sized burger. I mean you really gotta stretch your mouth to get it all in.
With the sauce, it tastes even better. It tastes good. I want to eat more. Is this enough for you?
No. Tell me about the burger. So I'm seeing various things inside the burger. I see some green stuff.
Yeah, the green stuff is mint.
You've got mint in the burger?
Yes, mint. Mint leaves. A special type of onion.
A shallot?
I also put lemon zest in the burger. It tastes good. I feel like I don't need ketchup.
So I really don't like mayonnaise, but this seems to be an appropriate use of mayonnaise to turn it into sriracha mayonnaise sauce.
Yes, it's really good. I like the hamburger. I also put the Thai seasoning. I should have made more sriracha sauce. Thank you. It tastes really good.
Yeah, I'm loving this. I could actually enjoy
Two?
one or two more. I like these buns.
Because I toasted in the oven.
No, it's the type of bun. Brioche bun? I have no idea if that's the right pronunciation. It's good.
I'm surprised. First time making it.
Okay, so that was a great appetizer.
Appetizer?
Yes.
I want that. I want the. May I have the last carrot?
You want the last burnt
Yes,
carrot?
yes.
Ah! Here. Oh, there's your half. And here's my half.
I should make more for the snacks.
Do we actually have carrots in the refrigerator?
No, we don't have. We should do a shopping. Oh.
We have one
more
carrot left. Okay, did you make me a cake?
I'm still waiting for the equipment.
Well, I'm still waiting for the cake.
Are you full?
75%. I needed more carrot fries.
I should have made more carrot fries.
880 calories per plate, or is it just 880 calories for all of it? It's hard to know. It can't be 880 per plate. There's almost no calories in carrots. That's why ballerinas eat them.
When it has salt and oil, it has calories.
And it's pork, it's not beef, is it?
It's pork. I think our sriracha sauce tastes better than the one from the bottle because the one has more lemon. Our sriracha sauce tastes better.
So out of the meals that we've eaten today, which was better? The breakfast of Pop-Tarts that I made? Or the hamburger that you made?
The hamburger. We didn't make that.
But I put so much love into the Pop-Tarts.
It was good.
They were honest to goodness, real brand name Post Pop-Tarts. They weren't the store brand either. Once again, you have managed to cook a wonderful meal.
I'll cook you more food tomorrow. Are you full?
75%. Actually 74 now. It's been a couple of minutes. My fullness has gone down.
I feel like I am like 85. I really like the burger.
Meatloaf?
Yes, the meatloaf. I also like the meatloaf. Super good. I really want to make ice cream. If I make ice cream, I will need to spend all day to make ice cream. To make different flavor.
So what kind of flavor should we make? Oh! What kind of flavor should we make? Ice cream. Suggestions below.
Yes.
Would you like to have wasabi flavored ice cream? How about ketchup flavored ice cream?
That will be weirdest flavor ice cream. Yeah, how about we make a normal flavor for the first time?
How about soy sauce flavored ice cream?
That's what tastes super bad. Super bad.
Not if you put fish on top of it. You could have,
We can have the salmon.
you can make sushi.
I can't wait to make new food tomorrow. Bye. Do you want to say bye-bye? What dessert do you want? This is my today's outfit. Which cake you want to get? I think in the future I will make you a cake.
Red velvet cupcakes, or do we want to get jumbo mint chocolate chip, or do you want this?
Yes, I think we can have this and we share. Oh, so we got this for dessert. What's the name of it?
Cake.
I know, I mean, what type of cake? I really want to make something similar.
Cheesecake, maybe.
Cheesecake. Yeah, I can try in the future. Ah. Okay.
Do you want the cherry?
No, I prefer fresh cherry. No, I don't want cherry. I like cream. This one's good.
It's very sweet.
We still have some more here. Look. I'm full. I'm super full now after the cheesecake.